Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at your home. So, children, today we will discuss our next chapter, that is chapter 11, Our Environment. Students, our environment comprises of all living and non living things around us. The living things in nature are the plants and animals. The non living things consist of air, water, rocks, minerals, and soil. All needs of our living things are satisfied by the environment. We get food, water, shelter, clothes, etc. from our environment. Our surroundings, such as school, houses, parks, shops, markets, neighborhood, family members, etc., all make up our immediate physical environment. Just as we have our environment, so do the plants and animals. The environment where plants and animals live is called habitat. Everyone's habitat is different from each other. A fish in the river has its own environment, which is totally different from that is squirrel in the city or a deer in the forest. Now let's discuss about pollution. Man is harming the environment by adding harmful substances to it. So he is indirectly harming himself. Pollution is the contamination of the environment by adding harmful substances to the air, water and land. It brings it brings down the natural quality of the environment. It adversely affect health and other activities of the all living organisms. Now, air pollution. We need clean air to breathe, but due to our negligence, clean air is getting polluted in the towns and cities. Air pollution occurs when gases, dust, particles, fumes, or odor are introduced into the atmosphere in the in a way that makes it harmful to humans, animals, and plants. This is because air becomes dirty, contaminated, or unclean with undesirable things like smoke from factories, soot from vehicles, etc. This pollution air causes breathing problems, irritates the eyes, and causes other health problems to the living beings. Now, keep the air clean, be an environment crop, and lower air pollution. To do so, follow these environment saving tips. Number 1, walk short distance, do not use a car. Switch off car engines at the red light. Use a public transport. Use a carpool to go to the school. Use a cycle to travel short distances. Plant more trees. Now, water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water by sewage, garbage, chemicals from factories, etc. Man's activities are polluting water bodies such as rivers, lakes, and seas by bathing, urinating in them by bathing their domestic animals, and washing clothes in them. Drains release all the dirt into rivers and seas. Due to this, fish and other animals that live in water are dying out. Drinking polluted water can cause dangerous disease like diarrhea, typhoid, jaundice, or dysentery. Now, save water. We can save the water by following these simple tips. Repair dripping taps. Do not leave the tap open while brushing your teeth. Use water from a bucket to take a bath. Wash your car with a bucket of water and not with the house pipe. Reuse kitchen water for watering the plants. Now, soil pollution. There are different kinds of soil pollution. These include all the various kind of rubbish we make at home, school, hospitals, market, and workplaces. Things like paper, plastic, containers, bottles, cans, food, used car, broken electronic goods, broken furniture and hospitals waste are the example of solid waste. Some of these like fruits, peels, vegetables, paper, leaf, twigs, etc. are biodegradable, which means they easily not rot or decay and get mixed with the soil. This is nature's way of reducing pollution. Others are non biodegradable and they include plastics, metals, and aluminum cans, glass, broken computers, and car parts. They never rot and stay permanently in the soil and pollute it. They cause further harm by getting into the sewage system and blocking it. We must be disposed of very carefully. To protect the environment, follow some rules and reuse, reduce and recycle. Reduce. Do not use more things than needed. Reduce the number of things we use means using fewer natural resources. Favor natural resources. Reuse things that would be normally thrown away. Reuse plastic jars, bottles, packaging, boxes, etc. Recycle. This means using waste items to make new things. Give old newspaper magazines for recycling. Global warming. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Our earth and the atmosphere get heated by the sun, and a part of this heat escapes into outer space. Carbon dioxide prevents the heat from escaping. So, when there is an increase in carbon dioxide in the air, the atmosphere warms up. This is caused due to deforestation and the gases emitted by the factories. This warming of the earth is called global warming. Global warming occurs over hundreds of years. Many scientists think that the earth has become slightly warmer over the last 100 years because of the increase in carbon dioxide in atmosphere. Now, acid rain. Harmful gases released by factories and vehicles mix with water vapor in the atmosphere and come down on the earth in the form of acid rain. Acid rain has been seen in certain parts of the world. Fortunately, it is not strong enough to burn our skin, but it does damage plants, buildings, and affects the soil. So, students, our chapter 11 is finished. Tomorrow, I will send you some question answers and chapter exercise. Please complete your work as soon as possible. Thank you and God bless you all.